I didn't want to do bullet, but your mom and dad wanted to, so actually Caleb wanted to. Sure? You want to go? Who's Caleb? I have a Caleb in my class, and he is like not. He's like really nice, but he wears like this really jacket in class. It's like, you know, jeans, the material. It's like a jean material vest with like patches on it. And like he's basically bald. He has like no hair. He's nice, just a little bit. There's like nobody on Facebook. I mean, I would go on tennis park if I had a jump. Well, in Telus Park, you can avoid the jump. Yeah, but that's not fun. I know. And in freestyle, I'm going to be over there a lot. In freestyle, you go to Telus Park? Yeah, like a lot. I mean, we could go into Telus Park. That's like where we meet up. And sometimes we go to Bullet. What do you mean that's where we meet up? FIFA, we meet up. I mean, Telus Park. My freestyle. So I think we meet up at Telus Park. And then we go everywhere else. Telus Park is nice. It just and then we practice jumps at Telus Park. Like I'm gonna do the ones with that on it. You have like the wood? Yeah. Yeah, I went on it once. I got some pretty big and I almost ran into like the rope. Cause like it did that before any sound. What did I do? Because I don't want to go to make things any sound. Well, like those blocks. The like wood thing in Telus Park. They're called blocks. Yeah. So we're gonna wait for our turn. Yeah, we have to wait for them. There's like 3 chairs. There are 4 chairs behind us. There's like 5. I don't know. That's sad. We might wait a few minutes. I really like the skis because it's like rainbow is really cool. You like the back of my skis? I kind of like it. It doesn't look like an optical illusion at all. I know it says mind bender, but it does not look like an optical illusion. It depends on how long you look at it and where you look at it. I like the spot where they put K2, right? Yeah. And like the rainbow's open. I really like the spot where they put the R. The what? You put the R always on that spot? No. I've seen skis with R everywhere. I'm gonna get these skis, and remember I showed you when we were at I have them, but I just don't fit them yet. Well, I just got these. Those are really nice. Remember, I'm gonna get a 130. What's it called when somebody has it and then they give it away to somebody else? Second-handed. Yeah. I have a lot of second-handed dance stuff. No, well, these are second-handed. Are these second-handed? I don't know, where did you get them? No, are these second-handed? Yeah, because I got them at, what's it called again? I'm pretty sure these are second-handed. I'll tell you, like, where'd you get those? I can tell that these are second-handed. Like for brand new skis, those are really scratched up. Can I poop on it? Yeah. What does it have on it? Wait. right?
Yeah, I know. And some stuff that got things off. Oh, we're close to the top.
Yeah. We can't take up. We're not putting up the bar yet.
Yeah, we can get the keep off of here.
It feels kind of cold.
See the keep off right there? Let's try to go up.
Yeah, I bet we could get to the T-bar somehow.
Yeah. How far is like over there? And like the line wouldn't be straight because look, there's almost like nobody on the keep off.
Like nobody at all. Wait, maybe it's closed.
No, it's not even close that it goes like this. And it's still moving.
I think we're almost ready to put the bar